Today we're taking a look at the HEAPETS air purifier. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about it, what it can do, what it can't do. One thing you must know before you buy that. Before we get into all of that, let's just take a look at the unit. I'll show you how it works. Super easy to set up. This comes just like this. It comes in a box. Everything is wrapped up really nice. One thing you need to know before you turn this on, it is on right now, is when you open this up, this is how you open it. This filter, this is the filter right here, will be wrapped. So you have to unwrap this filter before you could even turn the unit on. And don't worry about it if you kind of forget. There'll be like stickers all over here telling you to do that. But that is something you need to know. This is a magnetic cover, which is great. This cover also does come off. If you want to do that, you just pop it out just like that. While we're in here, let's just get into the filter. So the cool part about this filter right over here, we are actually very lucky. We don't have a lot of issues with the air quality down here in our basement right now, but this is what the filter comes like, and you can't mess this up. It has all the directions right over here, what you need to do. You could see here, you got this side over here as well, and it's telling you right over here, this arrow goes in here. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna put this just in like that and just push it firmly just like that, and we're good to go. Then we're just gonna put this on. Oh, and the cool part about this right here, it is Velcro. So when this gets dirty, unfortunately, we don't have a lot of stuff that is pulling in from here. Down here, upstairs, we have a little bit more because our dog is mainly upstairs. It is Velcro. This will just come off, and this is washable as well. So you don't have to worry about it. You really just have to take this part off, wash it, get it off, and then you're good to go. Another thing I like about this has 7 levels of filtration on this. It could do smoke particles, it could do pet, it could do dander, it could do all that kind of stuff just like that. This also has an app, which I will show you about in a second. This could do about 4,200 square feet. Right here on the back, we got a nice little handle, so it makes it easy to move, and the plug is right back here. Comes with this easy instruction guide right over here. And the thing I like about this the most is everything is color coded. So how you turn this on, if you're not using the app, there's just a button right over here, and you're just gonna hit that on. I'm gonna show you up close in a second. The first thing you're gonna see is it is green. I don't wanna mess this up, so I'm gonna kind of go right from here. So it's 0 to, so up here there'll be a number, which I'll show you in just 1 second. It's 0 to 79, that means it's good, so that is green. If it's 80 to 199, this is gonna go blue, so it's fair. And then 200 to 500 is bad, and this will be red. So you know exactly where you're at regardless. This does have 3 different power modes as well. Right now, this is on the auto. This is where I keep it. You can go all the way up to 3. So there's P1, P2, P3, all what you'll see in a second. And what that does is based on your number up here, if it's on the auto setting, this is going to run on low because the air is really good down here. So it doesn't need to pull more air in or do anything like that. So super important to note. Let's take a closer look at this, and then we'll get into the app and kind of my favorite thing about this right over here. We're just gonna put this down right over here. So this is the top here. This is the number we were talking about. You'll see this little Wi-Fi button. This is gonna help us connect to the app. In terms of speed, you got P1, P2, P3, and PO. PO is where I stay on. That's kind of the auto function right over there. We could set a timer on here up to 12 hours. You could just control that. So if you wanted to run this manually, but didn't want to run it all night or something, you could set a timer. We got sleep mode over here. The sound on this is, it says 30 decibels. It might sound a little louder on P3 just because we're very close up to it. But if you're sitting at a desk or something like that, you're not hearing it at all. Down here, if it's running, we also have this sterilize function right here. We do have a pet lock. So if you want to hit that pet lock or just a lock in general, you could hit that, and to undo that, you're just going to hold that down for about 3-ish seconds if your finger's on it, and then we're good to go. We got our on off over here. Now to connect this to the app, and I'll show you the app in a second. You're gonna hold down on this button for about 5-ish seconds, 3-ish seconds. You wanna make sure your finger is kind of like right in the middle. And this will be covered with kind of like a little film. Make sure to take that off, because sometimes if it's not off, it's a little harder to control the buttons. But what's gonna happen is you're gonna go to your user manual, and there'll be a QR code in there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna scan that QR code. It's gonna take you right to an app. You're gonna download that. If you wanna do a guest setting, you could do that as well. You don't have to worry about putting on all your info right off the bat. It's gonna show you exactly what device is in here. So right away, I did that. I was right over here and said, okay, you got the HEAPETS model 339. I'm like, oh, wonderful. So this is what the app looks like right over here. So you can see right over here, this is kind of the level that we're at. So you have the different modes here. So you could do manual, auto, sleep, and you could just change that however you want. For speeds right over here, if you wanted to get it on 3, you'll see it's a little louder over here. If I wanted to go back to 2, you could do that. This top works whether or not you have the Wi-Fi hooked up or not. So if I'm having the Wi-Fi, if I leave my phone on my desk, I can just come over here and hit it myself if I don't have my phone. No big deal. So you got the speed over there, and then you got everything you basically pretty much need. You can see here it's gonna track days over there as well. And then you have your settings button as well, where you could lock it, you could do a countdown, all that other stuff. Overall, this was super easy to set up. I mean, right out of the box, super easy. I would say the app, it took maybe call it like a minute or two to kind of fully wrap my head around what had to happen, what buttons to hit. You got to download something else. But once you kind of like get the hang of it, if you're used to using smart home stuff, the app also connects to other smart home devices. So if you have other smart home devices, you could do that. So if you are looking for a great air purifier that could do smoke particles, dander, pet stuff, you could know right away where you're at. Has that 7 stages of filtration, 30 noise decibels, so not loud. That you got the 12-hour timer, you got the sleep thing. Can't really go wrong with this thing. I did forget down here, there are like little rubbers on the bottom, so it won't like scratch your floor if you have it up top, something like this. And a magnetic cover and a filter that has Velcro that you can pull away to wash. You can't go wrong with this. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you get the right air purifier for you. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review for you.